My good friends, have you ever wondered how you can make 200,000 on a property by just buying it and potentially selling it, and bingo, you've got 200,000? Well, my good friends, in today's video, I've got a deal. It is Wednesday deal day. I'm going to be able to share with you tonight, by the end of this video, 3 things on how you can actually be able to make 200 grand, right? I've been doing this for a long time, my good friends, just below 10 years. I'm a property investor myself, and from time to time there is deals that comes through onto my table and I pass them on to you. So many people, they wouldn't go into do investments, property investments, because they just think that property investments is for rich people. But actually, in some cases, you can make money in doing what is called a flip. What is a flip? A flip is when you buy a property and immediately, or maybe you can wait for a couple of days and so you can be able to sell it, or even a couple of months, and you can be able to sell it, and you can be able to sell it at a profit. So there's around about 3 things that I want to do before I check out within the next couple of minutes. Number 1, I am going to show you how you can make 200k on a deal. Number 2, I'm going to show you the actual deal, which means that this particular deal is actually available for anyone who's keen. And then number 3, well, what you do with your 200k, it's got nothing to do with TJ. It's your money, and hey, you enjoy it. Right? You know what I mean? You enjoy it. Well, maybe it's your first time being here and you're wondering, who is this kid? Hey, my name is TJ and I'm an author, but besides being an author, I do property transactions. I'm out there all the times looking out in different deals, and over a long period of time, I've just built good connections with good people, from estate agents to auctioneers, everywhere. Attorneys, and all of these guys, they just alert me when there's a good deal. Like today, this particular property, it came through from a good friend of mine, and I'm going to call this person a good friend of mine today, but they didn't start off as a good friend. A few years ago, around about 7 years ago, I got in contact with this guy on Property 24. Yeah, I met them on Property 24. And he had a couple of properties that he was selling, and I started looking into some of them, and I realized that actually he is an estate agent, but he deals with what is called distressed properties. And I bought property number 1 from him, I bought property number 2, I bought property number 3, number 4, and the list went on. And with that reason, each time he started having a deal, he'll be like, TJ, I got this deal, my bruh. Do you want to buy it? So he didn't go and advertise it or anything like that. It just came to me. Like this deal that I'm going to be sharing with you today, you're not going to be able to find it anywhere else because it came through to me directly. And for that reason, I give you a private deal that has been secured for 450,000, right? And the value of the property is sitting on 750,000. Hey, TJ, wait. But you said we're gonna make how much? 200,000. So, if we are to calculate, because I know some of you got calculators, right? 700,000, right? Minus 400,000. TJ, that's 300,000. So, but you're saying we can make 200,000. Yes, my good friends. There's always costs when you're dealing with a property. So I've managed to keep the 100,000 as your other costs that you need to be paying, which are not a lot, by the way, because this deal is a tight deal. Let me bring you into the deal. This property is in an area that's called Vander Bay Park. It's a huge area that's sitting in the Vaal, under the municipality or city of Mfuleni, I think it is. And within this area, my good friends, this particular property that I'm talking about, it's quite a cool property. The municipality is Mfuleni. It is still in Gauteng, so it's still in Greater Johannesburg, Gauteng. And the area, or should I say the township, is called Van der Bay Park. It's sitting on 700 squares, this particular property that I'm talking to you about today. And it's got a couple of bedrooms. It's got 3 bedrooms on the property. It's a beautiful house. It's a neat house. 1 or 2 problems that are on the property, but worry not, because the seller is carrying all the costs. He just wants his 450 and he's out of the deal. But he wants his 450 cash. That's a problem. Some of us might not be able to get there. But hold on, maybe 2 of you could get together. Divide the money by 2. Maybe 4 of you could come together, 100K each. You know what I mean? And then you could sell the property for a profit. I've seen this a lot of times. People come through, say, TJ, I want to club with someone, and this is my John friend. We want to do a deal. And maybe you actually don't know anyone like that. And you're like, TJ, do you know anyone like that? And you come up with 100K, come up with 300K, and then I'll club you together. And then you guys buy your property and you go and sell it by yourself. Bingo, you've made your deal. So here at the TJ Tribe, we try to help you as much as possible. Now, as the property is in Van der Bay Park, it's 700 squares, like I did say. It's a 3-bedroom property. And let me see, what other nice details do I have here? The property is valued at 750,000. That's the value that's on this property, right? Now, I went to double check in the area. So I pulled a report, some stats, you can do that. And I just said to myself, hold on, if I'm to buy this property and it's in a good shape, if I'm to sell it again, can I really sell it for 750? So I went out and I looked in what's happening in the area, in this Van der Bay Park. And I looked into a radius of around about 5 to 10 Ks within this property. And I realized that in January 2024, there was another property that sold in the same area, exactly the same square meters, for 790,000. Okay? And then I went up and I realized that, there was another deal that also sold in March this year for 850. 850. So the area can actually sell for more than 750. That's what it's saying, yeah? Right? Okay? And there was another area, another property here. April 2024, it sold for 770. So I'm being a little bit conservative when I'm saying we can sell this property for 750. In May again, there's another property that sold. This one, it says it is exactly May, 860,000. Ooh, all right. In 2022, this one was 650. 2023, there's another one for 550. I think these are the ones that are dragging the properties to come down to around about 750 that I was talking about, the average. But in what is the 9th month? That's August, September. In September last year, there was another property that sold for 880. Wow. Okay? Right? March 2024, 820, my good friends. Halala. And then we can see that here. So this property, my good friends, don't go away. I am going to show you what the property looks like. I was there, the property. I looked at around the property. I went into the house and I looked into it. Everything that is wrong on the property, the seller is going to fix it. But I've got the deal on contract for 450. If you want the deal, what are you going to do? You can reach us 3 ways. The first one is that you can reach out on our hotline WhatsApp number, which is +272 0848226647. That's the number you can get a hold of us on WhatsApp. You're just wanting to reach out to us in terms of you want the deal. But it's not our preferred way of reaching out to us. Or you can be a keyboard warrior. hello@thetjtribe.com. Bingo, that's the email address. And yeah, again, it's not our preferred way. Our preferred way, which also helps me and helps you, is that there is a link in the description which says Meet the TJ Tribe. And if you had to connect that or hit it, click on it, it's going to take you into a form. On the form, you put in your name, your surname, your cell phone number, and bingo, the moment you hit submit, it comes through to us and we will ring you. And basically, you've also just told us, TJ, send me more deals like these ones. So before a deal like this one comes onto a channel like this one, because we get plenty of deals, and in the office they just come in and go, and we will just basically send you the next deal that there is available. And if you to look at it via email and you're good with it, you say, TJ, I'm good for it. So let's jump on, my good friends, and see the property, what it looks like, the surroundings part of it. And if you're game with it, you've got 450,000, or you got partly 450, maybe anything from 150,000, anything from 100,000, and you're wanting to get into a deal like this one, and you want me to club you with someone else, then let me know and just reach out to us, and we will do the marriage arrangements, right? That's what it is. And we don't let this property go just because you got 100 and someone else got 200 and 300. The three of you can come together, club, and then you go and buy the property. You're buying it cash, and I can manage that process for you in terms of buying it. We've got attorneys, cool attorneys that can help us with that. But let us go and see what the property looks like, ne? Okay, let's go. Let's jump in. Bingo, welcome back. I'm excited that you're back again. And like I said, this property looks cool. Doesn't it look cool? Give us some thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the property in the comments. Yeah, it is 450. If you're keen on it, let us know. You already know the digits on how to get a hold of us. But my good friends, let me reinforce. There is good money to be made in real estate investing. Don't be fooled. Yes, things can go wrong, but there is good money to make in real estate. And this year, I've just shown you the one deal where you can be able to make some good money for yourself. It is I, your boy TJ. It's great hanging out with you, but do not go away. On here on the TJ Tribe, there's other videos that you can watch to enrich yourself. Mondays, every Monday, check out for videos that come out on Mondays. We are here to educate you. Wednesday, like now, it is Wednesday deal day. We've got a deal that's coming out. Saturdays, we've got another cool video that's coming out. And Saturdays, just basically we speak to anyone else who's an entrepreneur doing some cool things. And they are here to inspire all of us. So until we meet again on the next video, it is I, your boy, TJ. Bam, bam.